Daddy's smoker that he just built. Don't know if Mommy can open it. Nope, can't. Not with one hand. Okay, oh wow, mud. Let's go see the pond, Grayson. Can you show everyone the pond? Where's your pond? I don't know. Let's find. Come on, Reese. Reese, come on. Let's go see the pond. Come on, Reese. Tell her again. Grayson. Grayson, come this way. Reese doesn't want to come on. Oh, she's getting her stick, honey. Woo! Okay, let's go see the pond, Grayson. This way. Well, we'll call her when we get down there. What's this, Grayson? This is the road that Daddy just put in, huh? We're in the barn. So it comes from the barn. Where the tractor is. Oh, let's look in the barn. The tractor is very dirty. Here's a tractor. Here's the four-wheelers. Here's the boat. Little boat. Let's go see what's in the corner. Oh, what's that, Grayson? That's the generator. Here's the generator. And there's the diesel, because it's a diesel generator. And here's the battery pack. And what's this? What's this? Mower, yeah, that's the lawnmower. Okay, let's go look at the pond instead. Come on. And on the way, we'll see some farm equipment. Come on, sweetie. And all the trees. Oh, there's the pond, huh? What's in the pond, Grayson? Yeah, dirty water? Say that again. Careful, careful. Do you need me to hold your hand? It's a little dirty here. Oh, there's the pond. Reese will go in again? Oh, it sure is bright out today. Gonna throw a stick for Reese? That's a big one, honey. Okay, throw it in. Don't get any closer. Please don't get any closer. Thank you. All right, Reese. Okay, how about a short stick, honey? Wait. Hold on. Let's get you a smaller stick. Here, try this stick. Okay, last time. Good job. Okay, say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye.
Bye-bye, huh?